Hello, my name is Sahil Malik and welcome to my course Building Authorization in Azure Active Directory for Developers. Authentication is only part of the problem, perhaps the simpler part. Real-world applications have nuances. They need authorization. What can you do after you have authenticated? In this course, I explain how to build authorization in your applications on the Identity Platform. I explain how you can use RBAC-based authorization, scopes, and claims-based authorization. By the end of this course, you will have a very good understanding of how authorization works with modern identity and effectively use the various capabilities of Azure AD to set up authorization in your applications. I hope you find this course useful and thank you for watching.